Do you see I look like a cotton candy in this hoodie? Hello everyone, it's Alex, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel and if I popped up in your recommendation site, that means I'm going viral. No, that means that you are a makeup lover as much as I am. As you might have noticed from the thumbnail and the title of this video, I'm going to show a colorful makeup look for green eyes. Now let me just clarify something. It doesn't mean that this makeup look can be worn only to people with green eyes. In fact, this makeup look can be absolutely incredible even to people with brown eyes and also people with a deeper skin tone. And the reason is because I'm using shades from the same side of the color wheel. Now, when I'm talking about the color wheel, I would like to show you something, and let me just move aside. Now, since I'm mentioning the color wheel, over here, as you can see, I have placed something for you, which is going to be quite helpful if you would like to neutralize any discoloration on your skin. Now, let's start. I'll try to be very quick with this. In fact, try and make a screenshot now. Am I cute? So as you can see, if you would like to neutralize the red tones, which you might find them from any pimples, any acne or any acne scars, then you need to use green color. Then if you would like to neutralize anything that is in the blue-purple shades, usually the under eyes, then you need to use an orange color. Oh my god, I feel like this is the longest intro I have ever done on my channel, but many of you told me that you're like when you see my face. Anyhow, in this video I'm so proud to have one of the Miss Malta contestants, which I did her makeup for the show, and we are showcasing this colorful makeup look. If you would like to learn how we created this amazing look on our beautiful model Casey, then please keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm starting by cleaning and prepping the skin of Casey. Then I'm going to take the hyaluronic acid by The Ordinary and I will massage it onto her face. Now, not only on my models, but even in my personal skincare, I try to use the hyaluronic acid as much as I can because it retains the moisture of the skin and it's creating, you know, that plump effect. And in the T-zone I'm using the Porefessional by Benefit Cosmetics, which is the primer that will reduce any open pores, any fine lines, and I'm just tapping it into the skin. That's something very important when you apply primer in the center of your face. For foundation, I'm using the Liquid Coverage by Catrice, and with the Moprhe M439 foundation brush, I'm going to apply it all over her face and neck as well. For concealer, I'm going to use the Magic Star by Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the shade C6 and I'm going to apply it under her eyes, on the forehead and a little bit of the chin. While I'm letting this concealer to set, I'm going to proceed with the Loreal Infallible, sorry if I'm not pronouncing this right, in the shade Honey, which is 338, and I will apply it on the forehead first because I will be working in portions like forehead, then one cheek and then the other cheek. So this product is a concealer, but in my case I'm using it as a bronzer and I'm getting the warmth back into her face. As this product tends to dry very quickly, I'm going into portions, so I'm starting from the forehead and then I'm going in each cheek side. I'm blending the concealer under her eyes and on the forehead and I'm going to set it with the Mercier translucent powder. Now you might have noticed that I'm always using the same translucent powder in all of my videos, and to be quite frank with you, I tried many high-end and drugstore, but I cannot find anything better than this, or maybe there is something out there that I haven't tried yet. Now proceeding with the eyebrows, Casey always liked her eyebrows to be really nicely defined, but yet kept that natural kind of shape. So what I'm doing is I'm starting from the tail of her eyebrow and I'm sketching a really nice line where I will give a good definition to her eyebrow, and what is left on the brush I'm going to apply it in the center and in the beginning of her eyebrow. Each time I'm doing the eyebrows, I'm going with the spoolie all over the hair just to have that good definition. Once the eyebrows are done, I'm placing the same concealer and I'm setting the concealer onto the lid, and I will proceed with the eye look. In this tutorial, I'm using the Moprhe x Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, and the first shade that I'm going to use is the shade named Silk Cream. Now to get more color payoff, I'm tapping this shade in the outer corner of her eye, and with circular motions I'm just blending the shade toward the eyebrows. With a clean brush, I'm going in the edges so that I can diffuse this shade before I proceed with the second shade, which is the shade named Roxanne. And as you can see, I am applying it only in the crease area and going towards the lash line into a V kind of shape. And with this, I'm getting that intensity of color only in the crease, which means that I'm going to get a really nice gradient blend. The deepest shade that I'm going to use in the outer corner is the shade named Jax, and I'm going to apply it in the same area where I applied the second shade. Now this shade I'm going just slightly, ever so slightly, go over the crease and towards the lash line. Once the blending is done, I'm applying Sissy and Obsessed in the center, going towards the inner corner. Now the fun part is that I'm taking a liquid lipstick from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Bloodlust line, and this is the shade I'm Royalty, and I'm going to apply it in the waterline. Now this step we did it off camera, but here you can see how this look is coming through. From the same collection, I'm taking the Bloodlust palette and I'm using two shades to go underneath the eye. The first shade that I'm going to use is the shade High King, and to deepen up the outer corner I'm using the shade Blood Queen. Now the upper and the lower part are connected, and I'm just going with the Central Park shade in the outer corner to get that more smoky eye, and I'm going with a black eyeshadow and I'm sketching an eyeliner. Now this is a very easy step, and honestly, if you would like to show off more of your eyeshadow work, then I would highly suggest you to use black eyeshadow instead of an eyeliner, because it will show off more of the beautiful work that you have done. Now Casey is applying mascara on her own with a disposable wand, and I'm going to apply the eyelashes. Now the eyelashes that I'm using in this tutorial are by the brand Catrice, and to be quite frank with you, I don't know their name, but they are in one of the highlights of my stories on Instagram, which is @yourbeautybyalex. Now once I have applied these lashes, I'm just going from the lash line towards the inner corner and placing the same black eyeshadow, and look at the effect of these lashes. Now lately I'm obsessed with this brand. It's called Golden Rose. It's a Turkish brand, and wherever you're watching from, hello, I'm Alex, I live in Malta and I'm Macedonian. So we do have this brand available here. The lip liner that I'm using, it's from the Dream Lips lip liner collection, and it's in the shade 532, and the lipstick that I'm using, it's from the Velvet Matte collection, and it's in the shade 01. Now on my last step, I'm using the Fix Plus with the scent Coconut by MAC Cosmetics, and with this we are finalizing this colorful makeup look on our beautiful model Casey. Enjoy! And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new from this tutorial. If you do like this type of videos, please click that subscribe button and share it with anyone who is a makeup lover as well. Until I see you in my next one. Bye!